OpenClaw web search is not one interchangeable pipe. The configured provider determines where a query travels, which credential is used, and whether results are structured snippets or a synthesized answer. OpenClaw normalizes the boundary and caches searches for 15 minutes by default, but provider choice still defines your data egress path. Choose deliberately. API-backed providers such as Brave, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, or Tavily need their documented credentials. Key-free choices such as DuckDuckGo or Parallel-Free do not silently win auto-detection, you must select them explicitly. A self-hosted CRXNG deployment is considered only when its base URL is configured. Auto-detection follows a fixed credential-aware precedence, separate from the alphabetical list shown in setup. It selects the first ready credentialed provider. If none is ready, OpenClaw does not quietly route to a key-free service. That fail-closed behavior prevents an operator from assuming one destination while traffic goes somewhere else. Some runtimes add another branch. Eligible direct OpenAI responses models can use OpenAI-hosted search when no managed provider is pinned. Codex app server can use Codex-hosted search under its own policy. Pin a managed provider when you need OpenClaw provider controls, and disable web search when the task must remain offline. Tool policy is the next boundary. Expose web search, X-search, or the broader web group only to agents that need them. Web fetch runs locally, while hosted search may leave the machine. Returned prose is wrapped as untrusted external content, so citations support verification but never become instructions merely because a provider returned them. Finish with evidence. Confirm whether provider selection is pinned or intentionally automatic. Check the credential and endpoint, review the effective tool allowlist, run a harmless test query, and inspect the provider reported in the result. The aha is simple: search quality matters, but predictable routing and auditable egress matter first.